Hey everyone, Foxton TCG here. Gonna open up a few more packs of 151. Let's get started. Ooh, look at that, Venusaur EX. It's my third one. Oh, and a Jinx EX. Nice, awesome, beautiful card. My goodness, I still love it. All right, one more. Who's your favorite Pokemon from 151 base set? Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys watching. Ooh, my God, look at that. That is awesome. That's insane. That is so cool in Articuno. That's so amazing. Look at that. We have 2 evolutions of Bulbasaur right there. You know, that's amazing. That's so cool that we got both of them right there. Awesome, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for liking, following. Take care.